All right, so I'm going to review this Bondi Boost HG, hold on, need the glasses, HG Miracle Hair Mask with rosemary, peppermint, and Queensland nut oil. So this is my hair before, all right, before I get into the shower. And it says to use this once a week in place of conditioner. Remove all excess water from your hair. Massage a small amount into mid-shaft to the ends. Leave on 15 minutes and rinse thoroughly. So I'm going to get in the shower, wash up, come back. We're going to put this on together. I'm going to let it sit for 15 minutes. I'm going to rinse it out, come back and show you the results after I've dried it. All right, so hang in there. I'll be right back. All right, so I am fresh out of the shower and have had this towel on my head, just giving it a little extra scrunch. All right, and we have our Bondi Boost product. It has a scent, but I think that's more from like the ingredients, not an additional perfume. All right, and we're just gonna put it down in here. And this says to use in place of conditioner, so I have no conditioner on. We're gonna let this set for about 20 minutes. It says 15 to 20, so I'm gonna go with the max time. I have worn this overnight though as well and had no issues with that. Now I do have my detangling comb, so we're just going to try to get this through the hair, and it's going through very easily, as you can see. Now I did get this product in my Trend Mood box. It was not free. I don't get anything from Bondi Boost or any of these companies that I'm reviewing. I did not get any of them free. They did come in subscription boxes or in like from Macari. So everything is paid for, unless it's from influencer, and then I'll tell you that. But even then, they want your honest opinion. All right, so combs through, very nice, very easy, and we'll be rinsing it out and be back in about 20 minutes. All right, so I am back. I have rinsed out the conditioner, the Bondi Boost conditioner, and dried it up a little bit. It's so soft. My hair feels so soft. Look at that shine too. Such shine. And I only used a color protecting shampoo. It was by Kenra, their color perfecting shampoo, which I really like. That I had gotten free for review from influencer and loved it. Like, I would definitely repurchase if I didn't have so many shampoos. And this I really like. Like, yeah, I would definitely repurchase this. I think it does a great job. The only thing I'm going to add is a little bit of this K18 hair oil, and that's only to lock in the ends. And a little bit will do you. Just going to rub that in real good, and then just really hit those ends. And that just kind of helps protect your hair. You want to definitely avoid the roots, but I do like to get all my ends. And yeah, this is the third time I've used this product, so it's not like, you know, I use it all the time. It is the third time in about 2 weeks that I've used the product, and I do find that it does have results. Now, is it like, oh my God, my hair is amazing? Well, no, I don't have amazing hair. I'm never going to have amazing hair, but does it look softer? Does it feel healthier? Yes, absolutely. All right, well, let me know your thoughts, and thanks Trend Mood for putting that in your last box so I was able to try it and learn that I loved it. All right, well, thank you so much, and hopefully I'll see you soon.